Is it time to buy or sell Klotho Neuroscience stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Klotho Neuroscience. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Klotho Neuroscience as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.75. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 930.24% since we first listed Klotho Neuroscience as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This translates to an average return of 232.56% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 12.77% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 88.86% to 12.77%. Our latest daily update for Klotho Neuroscience includes the headline, High Volatility in Klotho Neuroscience Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $2.01. The Klotho Neuroscience Incorporated stock price gained 10.44% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, rising from $1.82 to $2.01. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 126.66%, with a low of $1.73 and a high of $3.91. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 875.73% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 714 million shares, with a total of 340 million shares traded for approximately $682,480,000. It is worth noting that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $3.91, while the lowest price was 11.5 cents. Currently, the price is 48.59%, or $1.90 below the 52-week high of $3.91, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Klotho Neuroscience's trading under the symbol KLTO has recently become the center of attention following an extraordinary 800% surge in its stock price on June 9, 2025. This remarkable increase is attributed to the company's announcement of positive preclinical study results, which suggest that elevating Klotho gene expression could significantly combat age-related degeneration across multiple organs, thereby enhancing both lifespan and health span. The breakthroughs in Klotho gene research not only promise potential therapeutic avenues for age-related diseases, but also position KLTO as a major player in the biotech sector focused on longevity and health. The market's enthusiastic response reflects a growing investor appetite for innovative solutions in healthcare that address aging, a demographic trend that is drawing increasing attention globally. In the short term, the stock is likely to maintain volatility as excitement builds, further fueled by potential future clinical trials and developments. Longer term, if the company's research translates into viable treatments with regulatory approval, KLTO could see sustained growth, attracting more institutional investors and cementing its reputation in the biotech landscape. In summary, Klotho Neurosciences is not just riding a wave of positive sentiment, it's carving out a niche that addresses the pressing health issues of our aging population, setting the stage for both immediate stock market activity and long-term corporate. Analysts have assigned Klotho Neuroscience stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Klotho Neuroscience. Overall, the signals in the chart today appear predominantly positive. Klotho Neuroscience Inc. stock is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of 0.68 and 0.284. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 1,446.15%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Klotho Neuroscience. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.82. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below this support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. Additionally, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.18 between its high and low, representing a change of 126.66%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 81.04%. Before we explore potential favorable trading levels for Klotho Neuroscience, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Klotho Neuroscience. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under appropriate conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Klotho Neuroscience encounters its first support level at $1.82. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.96, reflecting a decrease of 2.58%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 96, which considerably heightens this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 19 days. Is Klotho Neuroscience stock a good buy? Klotho Neuroscience Inc. shows several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we view it as a favorable choice at these levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a hold accumulate to a strong buy recommendation. After assessing volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect Klotho Neuroscience to open higher by approximately 53 cents and begin trading at around $2.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.